Let us help you make that positive change. I understand reaching out for something that's great.
Don't do it.
On November 23, 2024, the Greenville County Communication Center received a 911 call from an individual threatening to do something stupid at 6 Kmart Plaza in Greenville. Officer arrived at the store's parking lot where they met with the suspect, identified as 21-year-old Daziana Lewis.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
I'm at Kmart Plaza, right across the street from the hospital.
Do you know the address there?
No, I don't.
Do you know what other road you're nearby or a business you're at?
Mills Avenue.
Okay. Do you need police, fire, or EMS?
Police, please.
Are you at the Sphinx?
No, I'm at the Kmart, the food line.
Okay, give me 1 second to pull up Food Line. Okay, and what's going on out there? Ma'am?
I'm definitely planning on doing something stupid.
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing you. What'd you say?
I said I'm definitely planning on doing something stupid.
Okay, what do you mean?
There's a few ideas on my mind, but, I don't know. I could probably go into Sphinx and talk with the cashiers.
And what?
Sphinx.
So you're heading to Sphinx now?
Yeah.
Okay, and what did you say you were planning on doing?
I don't really want to say.
Okay, I need to know what's going on, though. I'm trying to help you.
I don't really want to tell, but police should definitely be around the area.
Okay, what's your clothing description?
All black and white pants and a gray jacket.
Gray jacket, black and white pants?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any weapons?
I do. I have a knife.
Are you black, white, or Hispanic?
I'm black.
Okay. Is anybody under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No.
Okay. And then where are you at right now?
I'm at the Kmart, the empty Kmart, the closed one. That's the Food Line.
Okay. What's going on? Why do you feel this way?
I don't know. There's always time for something new, right?
Do you feel like suicidal?
I feel like anything is possible at this point.
Are you thinking about killing yourself?
No.
Would you hurt my deputies out there?
Yeah, I would.
Did you call us? What's going on this evening? Or this morning?
1038, 1051 at station.
What's going on? Say what? What can the sheriff's office help you with, ma'am? Do you need EMS for anything? Okay.
I'm calling. Daisy. Daisy? How's that? What's going on today? How can we help you?
Miss Daisy, I'm David. Did you call 911?
I did, yeah.
Okay, what did you call 911 for? Do you need a place to stay tonight? Do you need a ride somewhere? What can we do to help you? That's what we're here for.
The suspect pulls a knife from her pocket and goes towards officer on scene. The deputy drew his firearm and provided verbal commands in an effort to deter additional harmful action from Lewis.
Daisy, I guess you told one of the people at our dispatch that Stop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife. Daisy, drop the knife. I don't want to shoot you. You don't want this either. Drop the knife.
Daisy.
Don't do it.
Daisy.
Daisy, I don't want to hurt you. Drop the knife. I got her. Daisy, don't go towards him. Nope. Don't do it. Drop it. Come on, Daisy, you don't gotta do that.
None. Maybe 277 at the most.
Daisy, how can we help you? Okay, we don't want you to get hurt. We don't want to get hurt. Let us get you some help.
Yeah. You go to call a law enforcement.
Daisy, go ahead and put the knife down, okay? I mean, I'm good. I mean, it was purposeful. Yeah. She took, yep. Daisy, drop the knife, please. We don't want you to get hurt. We don't want to get hurt. You made a threat on us by moving towards us with the knife, so we can't leave now, okay? All right, so go ahead and drop the knife so we can get you out of here.
After Lewis's first attempt to harm the deputies, additional dialogue was established, attempting to convince her to surrender peacefully.
Junior, I'm coming to your side, okay? So that we're not, I'm coming to you. Just put the knife down, Daisy. We can call somebody for you. We can get you a ride somewhere. We can get you something to eat. The opportunities are endless. What's it gonna be?
Yep.
We'll get you whatever you need to do this job down, I promise. We don't want to
So what now?
I'll get the transfer.
Okay.
What do you want?
Charlie 4, did you have this one? That's that. Call copy.
What's going on? It's cold, I'm freezing. Can we get you somewhere warm? Can you talk to us?
Tell me about them siblings. 6 siblings, you're the second oldest. How old's your oldest? Is it 26? What's his name?
Lewis raised her knife a second time and went towards deputies in an aggressive manner. At this point, deputies fired, striking Lewis.
Daisy, what can I do for you right now? Is there anybody I can call for you? Anywhere you need to go? Are you hungry? You look cold.
Want a bottle of water?
I think I got some Taco Bell in my car that I probably shouldn't be eating. It's all yours if you want it.
We're here to help.
Daisy, the ball's in your court, okay? You called 911 saying you needed help, and we're here to help you. If you don't tell us what you need, there's not a whole lot we can do for you.
Daisy, I think you called because you know you want to do the right thing. I think you know whatever it is that's going on right now is not how things should be. You want change in your life. You want a positive difference being made. Let us help you make that positive change. I understand reaching out for something, that's great.
Don't do it.
Deputies on scene provided medical assistance to Lewis until EMS arrived on scene and transported her to the hospital, where she was later pronounced deceased.